Hi, I'm Lillian Audu with Audu Law Firm, PLLC. We handle divorce and custody cases in Harris County, Fort Bend County, and Brazoria County. One of the first questions people ask in a Texas divorce is, who gets the house? If the home is your biggest asset, this is a serious question. It's emotional, and it's financial. Here's the biggest misconception. Texas is a community property state, but that does not mean the house is automatically split 50-50. In Texas, the court divides property in a way that is called just and right. That means the judge looks at the full picture, not just what feels fair in the moment. So what does the judge consider? First, the court looks at whether the home is community property or separate property. If the house was bought during the marriage, it is usually presumed to be community property. But if the home was owned before marriage, inherited, or gifted, it may be separate property. Second, the court looks at whether children are involved. If one parent is likely to have primary custody, the court may consider whether it makes sense for the children to remain in the home temporarily. Third, the judge looks at affordability. A home comes with expenses, mortgage, taxes, insurance, repairs. The court may hesitate to award a home to someone who cannot realistically keep it. Fourth, the court considers the overall property division. Sometimes one spouse keeps the house, and the other spouse receives other assets to balance the division. In other cases, the house is sold and the proceeds are divided. Now I want to share a few common mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, moving out too early without a plan. Mistake number 2, stopping mortgage payments out of anger. Mistake number 3, assuming the house is the only asset that matters. Retirement accounts and debt division can be just as important. If you are going through a divorce in Harris County, Fort Bend County, or Brazoria County, and the house is a major issue, it's important to speak with an attorney early. You can schedule a confidential consultation at audulawfirm.com. Thank you for watching. And if you want more Texas family law guidance, please subscribe.